Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can fix if internet is not being connected to your laptop. And my problem here is my Wi-Fi is turned on, means it is not recognizing here. Even though my Wi-Fi is on, it should connect, but it is not connecting. And this symbol it is showing. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to tap on here, and you need to click on the settings. This will open usual Windows settings. Yes, this is the settings page. See here system and everything, and we need to click on network and internet, and see here, okay, not connected. So click on get help here. See, yes, my problem is enable Wi-Fi network adapter. So I need to click on here, and then I need to restart my PC. Okay, click on enable adapter. After that, what I'll do is I'll just restart my, or yeah, switch off my laptop and turn it back. And even if this two doesn't work, then the third step I need to do is network reset. So yeah, under advanced settings I need to do this. I'll show you. First what I'll do is I click on this advanced settings, and then network reset, and reset now. But before that, once I'll restart my computer and check whether the problem is solved or not. If it doesn't solve, I'll use this step also. I'll get back to you.